Hello, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I wanted to discuss with you about trying to avoid a cesarean section for your delivery. So cesarean sections is currently on the rise, I think, in most areas. But if you wanted to avoid cesarean section, I'm going to give you some tips. And I'm not saying this is going to absolutely guarantee that you're not going to have a cesarean section, but at least it will help to minimize your risk of having or needing a cesarean section. So if you are concerned with cesarean section and you are anxious, you do not want to have a cesarean section, but you're hearing a lot of your friends, family members, and other acquaintances having a cesarean section, then the things that you can do to help you or to mitigate a little bit of your risk of having a cesarean section or at least an emergency cesarean section is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Number one, please make sure that you are attending your appointments. You are going to all your caregivers' appointments that they give you. You are going to show up. You're going to be on time. You're going to be taking responsibility for your pregnancy. If you have been given something to do, make sure you go ahead and you do it. If you have questions, you go to your appointments with those questions and get things answered. Another thing that you're going to help yourself with is by doing research into how to avoid cesarean sections. There are more information out there, and you can definitely do yourself a favor by checking things out and not just relying on your doctors or your midwives to giving you all this information. So please make sure that you are doing your research. Another thing that you can do to help yourself avoid cesarean sections, or at least emergency cesarean sections, is to make sure that you're going to your birth preparation classes. Okay, these are normally run in all hospitals and in all birth settings. So whilst you're pregnant and you are under the care of a community midwife or a hospital midwife team or the doctors, they will have classes for you to attend. You can also look at some private classes that you can book and attend yourself, but make sure that you attend some form of classes, some educational classes, which is going to tell you about things to look out for, things that are normal, things that are not normal, and things that you can catch early. If you know it, you will know if it's normal or not. And you can get yourself checked out so nothing becomes a problem. And if it is a problem, at least you are recognizing it and you are doing something about it. Okay, some cesarean sections cannot be avoided, but some absolutely can. And it's important that you know your rights, you know your information, and you know what to do if something is not right. Another thing to helping yourself is to learn how to advocate for yourself. Okay, I've made a video about advocating for yourself in labor, how your partner can advocate for you, and this is one way to help yourself and avoid cesarean sections. Please learn how to advocate for yourself, learn how to ask for more information, learn how to let the health professional give you more time to discuss, to think about, to look at things before you are rushed in to have a cesarean section. This comes with knowing information, so you can never know too much. Okay, if you know it and you don't need the information, then that's even better. So remember, it's always best to know it and not need it than to need it and not know it. So during your labor is not the time that you're going to be researching things or trying to find out things regards to your options. So make sure that you are checking things out before that day comes. So therefore, when you are there and things are happening, you can be involved. You can be really, really intentional, and you know exactly the choices that you are making. You never want to feel like things are being done to you. Okay, you have to always feel like you are, as much as you can, you are in control and you're making decision from a point of knowledge, not just a point of fear or concern or worried. You know, the doctors are there to support and to make sure that you know all the information before you make your decisions. But when they're giving you the information, if you've never heard of it before, it's going to be absolutely crucial to your decision making. So making sure that you are researching, you are looking at information, you are attending appointments, you are checking yourself, you're taking full responsibility, is going to help you to have all this information that you need when the time comes for you to make a decision. Also, another thing that you can do to help yourself to avoid cesarean section, go to your appointments with questions. If your partner has questions but he's not able to come with you at the appointment, please write this question down and take it in. Okay? Make sure that you're getting his questions answered, because this will help him to have knowledge in order to advocate for you when the time comes. Another thing that you can do is to make sure that you go with your partner to your appointments. If you're a man, a father-to-be watching me right now in this video, please try your very best to attend appointments with your partner, your wife, your girlfriend, to make sure that you are there to get this information as well. You can also help to make a decision. You can help her to stay calm, to stay in control, to be able to, to take the information that's being conveyed to her and to take it, process it with her, and then also to make a decision. So please make sure that you attend appointments with your partner so that they feel supported, they feel like you are there with them, and you can also make sure, as they say, 2 brains is better than 1. So please make sure that you are attending appointments as much as you can. If you can't attend it, that's okay, but make sure that you are going as much as you can and you are making your partner feel like you are part of it and you're involved. Take notes when you go with questions and take the answers that they give you for your questions and go over it if you need to. Okay, I really hope that this video makes sense and is educational to you, and it helps you to understand how or what to do to help yourself avoid cesarean sections. And I wish you all the luck when that time comes for your labor, and I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you in the next live on Friday night. Bye bye for now.